planning challenge. Consider the situation. You're planning a weekend getaway and need ChatGPT's assistance. However, some of its answers feel like generic travel info, while you want a personalized, actionable plan. How to achieve it? Let's discover the secret. Introduction. Remember how ChatGPT predicts patterns based on your words? With that in mind, we can unlock its full potential with prompting. Let's dive into this skill through practice. Planning vacation. Previously, you learned that specificity matters. Let's see how that knowledge applies in this case.
In Barcelona in April, you could visit Sagrada Familia Park, less crowded in the summers, the beaches, warm but not hot, the St. Jordi Festival, April 23rd, Books and Roses Tradition, or explore outdoor markets. Spring is perfect for a Gothic quarter and having meals on the towers.
This response is better than generic facts, but what's still missing? More tourist attractions. It has everything needed to start planning. Personal touch and actionable logistics. Good, but the specific prompt got useful info, but it's still generic. What to do rather than your personal plan. Let's unlock the next level. To get insider info, perfect timing, and personalized logistics, you need to transform how ChatGPT thinks about your request. There is, in fact, a formula for that.
You are a Barcelona local tour guide planning a weekend for a first-time visitor.
The role shift. Watch what happens when you assign ChatGPT an identity.
You are a local guide planning a 2-day Barcelona trip. Start a Sagrada Familia, morning is less crowded, lunch in the Gothic Quarter, afternoon in Park de Güell, evening tapas tour in Melbourne. Morning in Boqueria Market, relax at Barcelona Beach, and afternoon exploring Montjuic, sunset at Roncers del Carmel Viewpoint.
Context is key. Even experts need context. Let's add the details that matter.
Plan food focus trip for a couple with a moderate budget staying in the Gothic Quarter. Plan for a couple with $40 a day for meals, $50 for activity attractions, $30 for shopping and staying in the Gothic Quarter.
See that? Breaking the budget into categories made ChatGPT calculate exactly how to spend each euro. Tell instructions. Finally, tell ChatGPT exactly how you want the information. Which of the following instructions would improve your travel plan? Include specific prices. Add booking tips. List by day and time. Make the plan long.
Format is hour by hour schedule with specific times and running costs. Precisely.
The complete formula. Time to combine the R plus C plus I into one powerful prompt. Try it in the next task.
Your Tokyo specialist plan a 3-day Tokyo trip for a solo traveler who's interested in culture. Breakfast, a temple, museum, ramen, a museum, a tea ceremony experience. Whatever that is. Team labs, conveyor sushi, shrine, exploration, coffee, and Golden Guide Bar. Sumo practice viewing. Traditional breakfast, old neighborhood walk, cooking class, Ocean experience, and a farewell dinner.
What's next? Now that you've mastered prompting with text, next, you'll learn how to enhance ChatGPT's responses by leveraging different ChatGPT features, unlocking even more powerful capabilities.